In this video, we will go over recursive sequences and we'll get a general idea. So let's say we have a series of numbers, 8, 13, 18, 23, ... So the pattern continues. So what's the general rule? And so if you want to pause the video and think about it, feel free. So the general rule, each number is increasing by 5. So 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. And so what we can say is a sub n is equal to 3 plus 5n. So a sub 1, the very first number in our sequence, is 8. If I put n is 1, I get 3 plus 5 is 8. A sub 2, if I put a 2 here, and then n is also 2, I get 3 plus 10, which is 13. And so this is the correct formula. So now, what if I ask, what is the 10th number in the series of numbers? If you want, you can pause the video and attempt this. And so all I'm going to do is plug 10 for here and a 10 here. And I get 3 plus 5 times 10. And so I get 3 plus 50, which is 53. So this is the problem that we will do. Determine the first 5 terms in the sequence, where a sub 1 is 15 and a sub k plus 1 is equal to a sub k plus 5. And if you want, feel free to pause this video. So if I put a 1 by k, I need to put a 1 by k here also. So I get a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus 5. I know what a sub 1 is equal to. That's 15. So 15 plus 5 would equal a sub 2, so 20. Likewise, if I put a 2 here and I put a 2 here, I would get a sub 2 plus 1 is equal to a sub 2 plus 5. So this piece right here is 3. So a sub 3 is equal to, we know what a sub 2 is, that's 20. So 20 plus 5 is 25. So let's continue, 2 more. So if I put a 3 here, I put a 3 here. I get a sub 4 is equal to a sub 3, and we know a sub 3 is 25. So 25 plus 5 is 30. And the last one, if I put a 4 here and I put a 4 here, I get a sub 5 is equal to, this piece is 30, 30 plus 5, so 35. And this is our final answer. A sub 1 is 15, a sub 2 is 20, a sub 3 is 25, a sub 4 is 30, and a sub 5 is 35. And that's all we need to do for this type of problem.